We only have a few more days left in this challenge, besties, so today we're getting a little crazy. Yep, that's right, we're doing the crazy leg. And I'm even throwing in a bonus video, and by bonus I mean cringe, to show you that all beginners have to start somewhere, and I was a beginner just like you. So stay tuned to the end to witness how silly I looked when I first learned this move. Okay, so let's get into the move. As you can see here, I'm doing the side-to-side motion, which we call the crab walk. You're simply shifting your weight side to side and pointing your toes in to stop. Get really comfortable doing this because there's only 1.5 more steps to go to learn how to crazy leg. But before we continue, let's look at an overhead view. As you glide side to side, your toes will be facing outward. When you're ready to stop and shift directions, your toes will be facing inward. It's very important that you master the pigeon toe stance because it's crucial to making the crazy legs look crazy. Let's talk about the next step. For the crab walk, as we're sliding side to side, we're pointing our toes outward then inward. For the crazy leg, we're still going to point our toes outward to slide side to side. But to make the legs go crazy, we need to point our toes inward and slide one leg back at the same exact time. I'm going to show you a slow down version of the motion first, and then we'll look at it from overhead. Toe balance and weight shift are really beneficial skills to have when learning this move. So if you're new here, go check out all of the fundamental tutorials I made in my Skate a Day playlist. Are your feet a little confused? Let's look at it from overhead to give you a better view. The only thing left to do is to put all of these steps together and make it flow. This part comes with time, patience, and practice. And it helps to practice this with a move that has a nice steady beat. This is the part that takes the longest to understand because your feet have to catch up with what your brain is telling your feet to do. But it's totally possible. Before you know it, you'll be crazy legging all over the place. And just to prove to you that it is so awkward when you first learn this move, I'm going to show you a clip of what I looked like when I first started. It's just a reminder that we all start somewhere, and as much as we wish we could, we can't skip the awkward phase. So stay focused, keep practicing, and keep showing up for yourself. And one day, it's just going to click. And if this tutorial helped you, save it for later or share it with a friend. See you on the skate floor, besties!